Hi everybody, in this video I will let you all know why does Visa gift card not working for online purchase. Now Visa gift card can be tricky for online purchases due to a variety of reasons including activation issues, incorrect information and merchant restrictions as well. The common problem include the need to be registered the card with a billing address or potential limitations on where they can be used, like some gambling or subscription site as well, or even technical glitch on a retailer's end as well. First of all, you want to check whether that card needs to be activated or not. Now, usually Visa gift cards, especially those purchased at retailer location, often needs to be activated online before they can be used. Similarly, many online retailers require you to register the card with a billing address, which might be different from the one associated with your physical address. So some gift card like Vanilla Visa may have limited or no ability to be registered an address as well. There could also be a technical issue. You want to check that out as well. So these are the common reasons why the Visa gift card does not work for online purchase. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.